This area was originally known as Penmark. At the front of the picture are rows of houses which were built for the workers of the Howie Ironworks, which were opened in 1760. The people living in these houses would have produced iron, which had been used to make lots of different things, including pots and pans, which would have been sold in the local shops. In the background, you can see a railway line which carry people and goods to different parts of the country. Today, the scene has changed quite a bit. The railway line is now the main road between Brumau and Abergavenny, and I'm stood roughly where the line would have been. The houses are gone and replaced with a Crown Business Park.